What you need is an old shoelace or a rope, a 30mm wrench, and a replacement spring. Start by loosening the bottom nut. For that you need the 13mm wrench. Now lift up the oar and pull out the spring. Once this is done, then loosen up and remove the top nut. Now take the new spring and close the nut. It just needs to be snug and firm on the bolt. Now use the rope and pull it down so you can put it nicely over the bolt. Leave the rope in there and first attach the nut. And then remove the rope. And your spring has been replaced.